Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon on this beautiful fall day. What a great time to come out, drive a coach, kind of experience the different things an RV can do for you and your family to help create lasting memories. This coach we're going to look at today is a 2020 Thor 4 Winds 27R. This coach is just awesome, and I must admit, the way I compare it, my family's original coach was the 27-foot Class C corner bed. No slides, no room. We had a ball in it, but when I show you this 27, this is another generation. This is a great coach. So please come around, let's take a look. This one comes with a nice clean beige exterior, very long storage here. One of those places probably want to put your outside chairs. LP tank down below here, outside TV. Additional rotocast storage compartment. The quick connect where you can hook up your outside grill without having to carry extra tanks. Electric awning. Ladder for easy access to the roof. Of course, our sewer hose connection down below along with our black tank center flush. This is a great little compartment here. It's got kind of a step to it so we can put longer items in. So as we go around, another storage here. Down below there. Storage under the bed here. Our 30 amp receptacle and our coax. Additional storage here. Water heater and exterior shower. This coach is on the Ford F450. Awning generator, gas power. One of the things that really adds value are these side cameras. So basically we have a rear camera and two side cameras. When you bump the turn signal, this camera comes on for about 5 seconds, allowing you to have great sight. So as we come into this coach, this is in the darker wood color. As we go around, this has a RV style refrigerator, gas and electric. Storage above. Pantry with 2 pull-outs and 3 drawers. Wardrobe here. Additional nice deep wardrobe space. But here's where this 27 gets amazing. King bed. Little nightstands with USBs. But look across the back. Triple door wardrobe with 3 additional doors. Each side does have its own USB ports. Of course, 3 doors above the overhead. Here on the end of the galley we have an additional extension. Create more counter space. Double pull-out drawers. Behind here, pull out. And on the left, of course, we have some nice bottle holders. So, oven here. One of the things they've done this year that's kind of nice is they've added this backlighting on these stoves. One of the tricks on these new stoves, so you flip this back, that way you have your backsplash. Down below, this is an additional drawer for pots and pans. Sofa plus booth dinette. Drawers below the booth dinettes for ease of access. Triple doors above. Again, additional USBs. And we can see behind the sofa here, we have a pull-up with 3 receptacles and 2 more USBs. And there's also will be a receptacle on the bottom of that galley overhead. Driver passengers area. The big bed, the TV is on a swivel arm, can be rotated back so you can see it easily. But this little 27 is about 3 times the coach my original 27 ever was. So, love to show this to you. This is just a great coach. It does have several options that are interesting. It has the child safety seat pull down. It has the 15,000 BTU AC along with heated tanks. So those are options you're interested in. This coach has that. Would love to talk with you. Please give us a shout. This is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you very much.